right, it's the Parkway Pony. We're going outbound. We got the camera strapped to our head. The GoPro is ready to go. Let me know what you like. Was it the inbound footage, or do you like the outbound footage with the camera strapped to the head? All right, sit back, relax, here we go. It's the Parkway Pony outbound.
Insert your prepaid ticket or your ticket followed by a credit card. Insert your prepaid ticket or your ticket followed by
Looks like a lot of activity going on downtown. We got Billy Joel coming to town. He's going to be playing at PNC Park. Everybody's making their way. Concert starts at 8 o'clock. Hopefully traffic won't be bad going outbound, but I'm sure it's gonna be terrible going inbound. The Piano Man is coming to town. This light here needs some looking at there, PennDOT or whoever takes care of the traffic lights, because you'll watch this arrow, it'll last maybe a half a car's length before it turns, and then we got to sit and wait. So if PennDOT's reviewing our footage, maybe you should take a look at this intersection. A lot of construction going around down here. I think they're working on the incline. Yep, there it is. Already turned yellow. Look at that. Not even one car made it left. Looks like we'll be the only car turning left. Guess we'll piss a lot of people off. They have to sit behind us, because there's no way to get around. Come on. Get our Waze app going. See which way it's going to guide us. Should be an easy commute on the Parkway. Oh, they almost be getting close to being done with that construction. No more steel plates on the ground, so that's a good sign. Now check this intersection out. We can turn left. You got to be careful. Oh, we got a green arrow. We can keep going. All right, nobody coming. Sit back. Here we go. Get them, get them, get them. Gotta love that horsepower. Let the horses run. Giddy up. Looks like we got an Amber Alert. A 2021 Chevy Malibu. Maryland tags this time. Keep your eyes open for the Malibu. Got a missing person. Maryland plates. Might be a couple cars slowing us down up there. Remember, 1002, 1003. Yeah. Wait for the line, now we can go. Proceed. See what the traffic's like up around the bend. Usually that's where it's backed up. What's this guy braking for? I got a guy coming on hot. Alright, let him go, let him go, let him rip. Alright, going over. Stay in the middle, just in case we need to go out to the outside. Usually the outside lane's what we take when we're in heavy traffic. There goes 50. Going the other way is Stady on route. He's late for the Billy Joel concert. See if we see any traffic thickening up ahead. No, everything's looking good, flowing nice. Slow cars in the left lane as always. They should be in the middle lane. Yeah, she's on her phone.
Watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
Another vehicle on our shoulder. We're gonna see where it's at. Don't see it yet. It says it's before the tunnel. Let's see what happens. See if somebody reported. There it is, 18-wheeler. Go ahead and check your box. 18-wheeler, outbound, shoulder, right before the tunnel. All right. Traffic is flowing good. Light brakes going into the tunnel. That's right, the tunnel sometimes has that tunnel monster outbound too. So far so good. No brakes, green lights, arrows all the way, baby, all the way. Spoke too soon. There they are on their brakes. I can see clear at the other end. Come on now. Current temperature 77. Warmed up a little bit from this morning. Not too bad, not too bad. All right, and we're through the tunnel. There's the traffic starting to build. Always going inbound. There it is, backing up. Take a look over here on the left side. Oh, makes no sense. There was nothing on the other end. What are they all going so slow for? Look at this, bumper to bumper. You saw it on the way up. There wasn't nobody over there. That traffic was flowing fine when it got out of the tunnel. Makes no sense. If you were with a pony this morning, we discussed how the traffic backs up going into the tunnel. Look at it. Unreal. Unbelievable. What are we on our brakes for? There's no traffic lights on this road. Square dancing license plate. Did you know they had square dancing specialized tags? Interesting. Next thing you know, they'll have one for TikTok. at traffic still, all the way out here. Boy, you would think it was morning and everybody going to work. I guess that's what the Piano Man will do. It'll bring a crowd. PNC Park. Woo! How far back's it gonna go? That's how traffic usually is going inbound. Stay right there, truck. Coming through. And there's some clear. Yep, that's about how the traffic is going on into the office in the morning. Glad it's not going outbound, that's for sure. The hell's this guy got on all these stickers on his car? Look at all them people on there. He ain't got all them people. Now watch him hit his brakes. These bozos coming out from the left. There we go. Alright, you stay right out there, Subaru. You don't need to come over here. We don't need you to jump in our lane with all your stickers. Paving. Boom, boom, boom. Look at all the debris along the road. Can't they get people to go out there and pick that up? Isn't there a part of the transportation department that does something to clean that up? They wonder why there's problems when there's no poor drainage, when we have storms. All the drains get clogged up with all the debris. I would think there would be some type of a job that is to control the trash. You know, people are idiots. They litter all the time. They should be held accountable for it, but geez, you would think that they would do it maybe monthly or something to clean up all this debris. It's everywhere. Look at it over there. Come on. What are you doing? All the way down the parkway it's like this. It's terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. I don't know why they can't keep it up. Can anybody tell me who's responsible for the cleanliness of the highway? I know it's probably the people that drive on it, but there's got to be somebody that takes some action and clean it up. If anybody out there knows, put in the comments. Let's find out what the problem is. Why don't they do it? Probably don't have the funding, right? Just like everything else. No funding for anything. didn't know they still did those things. I guess Mary Kay is still doing pink Cadillacs for their high salespeople. It says Mary Kay on the back. Isn't that like a pyramid scam or something like that? I don't know. I guess you're not gonna get out of our way. I'm surprised you weren't on the phone. Lollygagging around. Coming in, lane ends 500 feet over there, but they're still riding it. I don't know. Coming in hot. Here we go. I think I see a local police. Do I see him? Yep, there he is. I thought I spotted him. Now we gotta do right. Maintain. This is another area people don't like to yield. That people on the right, they have to yield. Us in the center, you don't have to yield. You just go straight ahead. Straight ahead. 45. We're going about 43. We should be good. Just gonna take our time and go right by. We're at 40. We're good. 40. 45 is the speed limit. It's kind of hard not to go 45 down a hill. I'm in fourth gear and just letting it just ride back, waiting for him. Probably wanted to clock me going side by side or something. Thanks for what you do, police officer. Thank you very much. Well, it says the camera's too hot. I guess that's why we lost our footage. Well, thanks for coming back, seeing the last little steps here. We'll go ahead and end this right now. We had a good Parkway Pony outbound. So stay tuned for more Parkway Pony, and don't forget to let me know if you like the outbound view, the camera mounted to my head, or the inbound that was on the visor of the ball cap. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. Parkway Pony, we're out.